So if you're a man or a woman and you're struggling with dating, you need to listen to this advice. What's up guys, Amir here from ABC Workout Team. Beautiful view, beautiful weather, beautiful Africa. I got Victoria Lake just right behind me. Today I'm gonna talk about dating, and the reason why, because I struggled a lot in the past when it comes to dating. I work for international airline, and number of girls compared to guys, it's like 80-20. So 80% girls, 20% guys, and I had too many first dates and never had a second date. And I was 24 years old, super young, and I used to go to the gym 5 times a week, so my fat percentage was like 12% body fat, which is still in good in shape, and I don't consider myself ugly. So I kept thinking badly about myself in a negative way. Why I'm not having second date? What's wrong? Is it my personality? Is it my shape? Is it the way I look, the way I speak? Till I start getting like life coach sessions, and till I start getting coached and getting advice, seeking advice, and I really liked it. So I started studying life coaching. So I'm gonna share with you 5 simple tips to have a successful date, and hopefully it will be useful. First tip, dress to kill. You need to dress the best you got. You gotta be elegant but simple at the same time. So girls, please don't over exaggerate wearing makeup. Guys, please don't overwear perfume, and your perfume is very strong. So you gotta be elegant but simple at the same time, so don't over exaggerate it. Second thing, if you're gonna pick up your date, it's a good gesture, but you need to make sure your car is washed. The reason why, because I made that mistake a lot. I go for off-road camping and my car is just full of sand and dust and camping gear, and I go pick up my date and it's not really nice. So especially if you have like KFC bag inside and your car is a bit smelly, so you need to make sure you wash your car. It's a really good gesture. Third tip, show up with no expectations, but be authentic. You gotta be authentic, you gotta be yourself, and by being yourself, you gotta show up with no expectations. The reason why, because I made that mistake a lot. When I met a girl, she's into fitness, she's pretty and young, I'll be more stressed trying to get this relationship to work. So I'll be like, I'm gonna get this to work, how I'm gonna get this to work? So I'll be more stressed, not being myself. I start losing a bit of self-esteem, and they could tell, like by your facial expressions, the way you talk, the way you behave, you're not being yourself. So it's not really good. So try to be authentic and show up there with no expectations, so you'll be more relaxed and chilled. Fourth step, adapt the attitude of take it or leave it, and be nice as well. When you meet your date, you gotta give them a firm handshake, you look them in the eye, you give them eye contact, and listen to them. Give them a chance to speak and listen to them. And at the same time, you gotta adapt the attitude, take it or leave it. It's really, really important. When you do that, you will be more chilled, you will have a higher self-esteem, you will have a self-confidence. Because the attitude, take it or leave it, you're not gonna be stressed trying to get this relationship to work. So make sure, really, really important guys, please make sure you adapt the attitude, take it or leave it, but at the same time, you gotta be nice, so balance it out. Fifth one, promote yourself. How you promote yourself? You promote yourself by doing the stuff you really like, so you'll be a stronger version of yourself physically and mentally, and by doing the stuff you really love doing. Like I get asked from people who don't know what to do, like life is really flat, it's not really interesting, and I ask them, what's your passion, what's your hobby, what do you do in your free time? And they're like, we used to play tennis, I love playing tennis. So why don't you go out there and play tennis? I love fashion, why don't you attend fashion shows? Some of them, they're like, I want to open my own business, so why don't you go attend business seminars? Business seminars are free all over the world, and you get free snacks, and you get to meet people helping you out to open your own business, and you get to meet people in the same common interest like you. So by doing the stuff you like, you will share your ideas, your thoughts to the world, you don't keep them to yourself. And at the same time, you get to meet people in the same common interest like you. So you could get to meet your date, you could get to meet people on the same interest, people that really like doing what you do. And hopefully we'll have like a successful first date, unlike the first date I had. So please, if you think that useful, please give us comment below and like the video and share it, and see you next time. Thank you.